Hi, this is Siva Girmala, and this is a fourth video in the series of building a data warehouse project based on US County business patterns. And in the last video, we loaded the OLTP database from staging database, and the details are available in this video which we are showing on this page. And it took about maybe 7 to 8 minutes to load the data from staging to OLTP. And in this video we are going to load the data warehouse from OLTP DB. For that, I created the data warehouse database here, and we are calling that as US County Business Patterns data DW, and these are the 4 tables we have in this database: three dimension tables and one fact table. And the table creation scripts already available on the website. So if you want to follow along, you have to create this database, data warehouse database first, and then run the script for table creation, and we are ready to go. And let's have a look at the number of rows in the database at this point of time, because we want to start with 0 rows. And okay, we have 0 rows in all the tables, on all the 4 tables, so there is no need to truncate this one here. So let's go to the package and see the contents of the package. And before doing that, let's go to the data warehouse design, naming conventions, and here we are. This is a database diagram for data warehouse, and we have three dimension tables, and one fact table. And the primary keys are defined or named as SKs, surrogate keys, and the business keys are named as BK or AK. And what the practice we are following here is we are following the alternate keys concept here. So NAICS AK, county AK, year AK, like that. And the primary keys are county SK, year SK, and NAICS SK. And the primary key on fact county business pattern was named as fact county business pattern SK. And now we can go to the package, and here is the master package for loading the data warehouse. We have 4 different packages. Each one is loading one table. Load dim year, loading the dim year table, dim NAICS, dim county, and this one is to load the fact county business pattern table. And here on this SQL, we are truncating the tables, and then we are loading the dim year, dim county, dimension county, and then dimension NAICS table using a sequence container. And once we finish these loading these 3 tables, we are loading the fact table. And let's open the load fact county table, the package, and then we will look into the details. And we have a data flow task to load the fact county business table, and here the source table and the destination here, and in between we are doing a lookups for county, NAICS, and the year table. And we are carry forwarding the surrogate keys from each of those dimension tables to the final fact table. So let's open this one. Here we are picking up all the columns, and from the county business pattern table, and this county business pattern ID is named as alternate business key, because we are going to have a new surrogate key in the fact table. So that's what we are doing here. And then we are reading the county as key, county ID as county AK, NAICS as NAICS AK, and year as year AK from the business pattern table. And the mapping of the columns are as follows. And here on the lookup, this is the county lookup, and here we are doing a full cache, and we are doing a OLEDB connection manager, and here is the connection to connect to the data to the dimension table of county and the columns. And we are looking for county AK against the lookup table and bringing back county SK as a new column. This is the process we are going to follow for all the dimension tables to bring the SKs. And let's have a look at one more dimension table here. Let's open this one, and we are doing the same thing, full cache, OLEDB connection manager, and the connection and the columns. Here we are matching county NAICS AK with the NAICS AK, and then we are bringing back the surrogate key from the dimension table. So this is the process we need to follow when we are building the final fact table. So we did that on the year table also, dimension year table also, and the final output is going to our fact table. And we are doing a fast load here and this one, and we got the surrogate keys from the dimension tables and all the columns we need for the fact table, and we are ready to run the package. So let's open the master package and save this one, save all, and go to the solution. Before doing that, before running the package, I want to mention these connection managers were defined at the project level, one for data warehouse, one for the OLTP. So let's run this master package, and the package started running, and here it truncated the tables, and it loaded the county table, dimension table for county, and dimension table for NAICS, and it is loading the year table, dimension year table, and that is done. And let's have a look at the number of records it loaded for each of those dimension tables. Dim year, we have about 14 rows. NAICS, we have about 2400 plus rows, and county table is having 3000 rows plus. And the fact table, we are looking at the fact table data loading, and it already loaded about 3 million rows now. So it's going to take about maybe 5 to 6 minutes to load the entire 30 million rows. Instead of waiting to finish and looking at the screen, I'm going to stop recording this one, recording at this point, and then I will come back before the package finishes. I started recording again. Now we are at 30 million rows. Yes, it loaded all the 30 million rows, and see all the green check marks, and it seems we are good. And let's have a look at the master data package progress, and it took about 6 minutes to load the 30 million rows. So let's come out of this execution mode, And in the last 4 videos, including this video, we started with identifying the data for this project. We sourced the data for this project and then loaded that data into staging database and loaded the OLTP database, and we built a data warehouse database. Now in the coming videos we are going to build some cubes and reports of this OLTP database or this data warehouse of US County business patterns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Thanks. Bye.